So how do you find an item with the Apple AirTag? So let me explain it. If you're new here, subscribe to Foxtecc and we can get started. So of course, if you plan on getting like the AirTag, you're likely going to get them in a 1-pack, or you can also buy them in a 4-pack, right? But the point is that you can essentially get the Apple AirTag as such, and you just want to use it to locate some of your stuff. So at first, the setup process is as follows. You open up the Find My app, which is pre-installed on your device like this, and you get inside and you can browse the location of some of your people, friends, family, your devices. And when you click on items, these are basically the items. So you can click on add a new one, click on add AirTag, which shows up right there, and it's going to search for it. So if it's not already paired to another phone, and this one is, so it's not going to show up on this one, then it should be recognized and you should be able to give it a name and then be able to track the location of this little disc, right? That's the point of the AirTag. So it depends on where exactly you want to put it, because I have actually 4 and I have put them into multiple different places. I have one in my backpack, and I have another one on my keys, right? So you might be wondering, how exactly can you locate it when it's part of your keys, right? And you actually need to get some sort of accessory like this. So I actually bought this keychain. It's not made by Apple, just by some random company. And the point is that you are supposed to place it inside of it like this. It's kind of hard to put it inside, but that's intentional. So in order to make sure it doesn't fall out easily. But the point is that you can attach it using an accessory like this and using a keychain to your keys, right? And now you'll be able to name it your keys and make sure that even if you don't know where it is, you will have the ability to find it on the map. So that is basically how it would work, and you will have the ability to find it at all times. So if I bring in here the actual iPhone where I have the thing saved, right? So this is what it would look like. So as you can see, I have some items in here. So as I said, I have them in my keys, in suitcases and so on, right? And this is giving me the ability to essentially find it wherever I want, right? So I'll be able to tap on it as such. It's going to tell me where exactly it is. And I can see that it perhaps has low battery, that I can play the sound and actually hear it if it's going to be possible to be like played, right? So I can even notify it by sound because it has like a very tiny speaker inside, right? And also I can choose the find located nearby feature. I can mark it as lost and so on, but most importantly, I'll have the ability to see the location on the map of where it is. So that is how you can identify and find your items with the AirTags. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you then.